Hey everyone, welcome to Fan Flag Showcase 9. This is the prompt video where we tell you the rules of the flag design. For this showcase, we want you to create a 3-flag mashup using elements from national flags. You can use any national flag from all the UN member states and observer states, and also the FIFA Association members. The flags must be the currently used flag and not previous designs. The chosen countries do not have to be related in any way. Pick any 3 national flags. Your design must have elements from all 3 flags chosen. You can check the links to the UN and FIFA websites in the video description to see what flags are allowed. We made a couple of sample flags to help you better understand what we're looking for, and these may give you some ideas. The first design uses the Canadian Pale of Canada. The red striped shades were taken from the flag of Latvia, and at the centre we have the disc of Brazil's flag. And here is our second example. It uses the blue shade of Estonia's flag for the field, the dragon of Bhutan, and the dragon of Wales. For this showcase, we do not require symbolism. To enter, send your flag image file to flagthisvideos@gmail.com. In the subject line, please use Showcase 9. As well as the flag image file, please include your name or nickname. If you don't want your real name used, then use a nickname. Name the 3 national flags you've chosen along with the elements used in your design. The closing date for entries is October 11th, 2022. In the next video, we will show you all the qualified entrants, and this video will have a link where you guys will rank each of the flags. In the video after that, we will announce the results and review the winning flag. Here are some quick rules. The flag image must be digital. We will not accept hand-drawn images. Also, please don't include anything controversial or offensive, as those will not be accepted. Also, check out the YouTube contest policies and guidelines in the description of this video. So that's everything you need to know. If you haven't watched it already, go check out our introduction video to this new series where you can find some extra information about the series. The link is in the description. Good luck to everyone and have fun creating your flag. See you guys next time.